Hello everyone, welcome to English Planet. Before we start, quick question. Have you ever learned a perfect English sentence and then felt completely confused when Americans answered you? If yes, you're not alone. Today's lesson is very simple, very real, and very important. Today, we'll learn how native speakers actually respond in daily conversations, not what textbooks teach. Relax, sit comfortably, and let's begin. Let's start with a very common question. How are you? Textbook English teaches us to answer like this. I am fine, thank you. And you? Now listen carefully. In real American life, this answer sounds polite, but also very formal and a little robotic. Americans usually respond differently. They say things like, good, pretty good, doing well, not bad. Sometimes they even say, good, you? Or, can't complain. Let's pause here. When an American says, can't complain, it does not mean life is perfect. It means, I'm okay, things are normal. This is very important. Now let's move to another common phrase. What's up? Textbooks often confuse learners here. What's up does not mean what is above your head. In American English, what's up usually means hello or how are you? Common responses include not much, nothing much, hey, what's up? You don't need a long answer. Short and relaxed is best. Next situation. Someone asks you, how was your day? A textbook answer might be, my day was very good. I completed many tasks. That is correct English, but Americans usually answer more casually. They say, it was good, pretty busy, long day. Not bad, just tired. Notice something important. Americans often use short answers first. Details come later, only if needed. Now let's talk about one of the most confusing phrases. We should hang out sometime. This sounds like a plan, right? But in American culture, this does not always mean a real plan. Often it means, I like you. I'm being friendly. I'm ending the conversation politely. If they really want to meet, they usually add details. Let's grab coffee this weekend. Are you free on Friday? No details means polite friendliness. This is very important for understanding social situations. Next phrase, let me know. Americans use this all the time. For example, let me know if you need help. Let me know what you think. Let me know when you're free. What does it mean? It means, I'm open. The next move is yours. You don't need to answer immediately. You just respond later when you're ready. Now let's talk about agreement. Textbooks often teach only one word. Yes, but Americans use many ways to agree. They say, exactly. That's true. I agree. Yeah, that makes sense. Right. These sound more natural and show engagement. What about disagreement? Americans usually avoid direct no. Instead, they soften it. They say, I see your point, but I'm not sure about that. I think it depends. I see what you mean. This keeps conversations polite and friendly. Now let's talk about silence. In textbooks, silence feels wrong. In real life, silence is normal. When Americans don't know what to say, they use fillers like, yeah, let me think. These fillers are not mistakes. They are natural. They give your brain time. Next situation. Ending a conversation. Textbooks don't teach this well. Americans often say, well, I should get going. It was nice talking to you. Let's catch up later. These are polite exits. They don't mean rejection. They mean respect for time. Now here's a key lesson. Americans care more about tone than perfect grammar. Simple English, spoken calmly, sounds more confident than complex English spoken nervously. Let's do a quick comparison. Textbook style. I am very delighted to meet you. Real American style. Nice to meet you. Simple, natural, effective. Another example. Textbook. I will contact you in the future. Real life. I'll get back to you. Shorter, friendlier, more common. So what should you remember from today's lesson? One simple idea. Don't memorize English. Observe how people actually speak. Listen to conversations. Notice short answers. Notice tone. Notice pauses. That's how fluency grows. Before we finish, remember this. You don't need to sound perfect. You need to sound human. And that's exactly what real English is. Thank you for watching English Planet. Practice a little every day, listen more, speak without fear. I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care.